We are the market leader in Turkish contact center business, and we have more than 10,000 CSRs, and we have 45% market share. Turkcell Global Bilgi has also a mission to be a role model in the sector. The innovation in here is that, Turkish is a new language for all the vendors, and it will be the first in Turkey and Turkish language to do such voice technologies. As Turkcell Global Bilgi, we like the new technologies and innovative, creative technologies that Nuance brings to us. Another thing is that the new technology must have the most secure identification element inside. So again, with Nuance's new voice biometrics, we solve that problem, because the voice has more than 100 unique identification characteristics to verify that it's really you. The process is so easy for the customers. The system asks you to give your voice print. Then you record your password. Turkcell recognizes me from my voice 3 times. And that's it. With voice biometrics, the customers always have their passwords with them. It's so convenient and easy to remember, and we have up to 45 seconds decrease in customer authentication. 68.5 million extra minutes in 2.5 years' time. Our customers and users do believe to their networks and to their personal CSRs. So these two great teams get together, combined, and we create a fabulous success in voice technologies.